Welcome students. Today we're going to be taking a look at some revising and editing strategies for your 7th grade STAR test coming up, your practice STAR test. So we are going to be talking about how this is different than a reading test. The main difference is the order in which you begin. So let's take a look at our directions real quick and then get to how to do this, a step-by-step process. So first of all, it says read the selection and choose the best answer to each question. Then you're going to fill in the answer in your answer document. So it tells us a little bit about the passage right here. This is important information that's italicized, and you'll notice it tells you in this information what you're doing, which is looking for any revisions that you should make. As you're reading, pay attention. This is nonfiction. The title of the story is about a dog, mama dog. We see a picture here along with a caption, right? So these are all text features of nonfiction. You might kind of make a note about that here. The first thing I'm going to do is just start reading the story. As I'm reading, I'm the teacher with the red pen. So I'm going to make any circle, anything that just looks wrong. If it looks wrong, it probably is wrong. If it sounds awkward, it's probably wrong for some reason. So using what I know, I'm just going to go ahead and get started and jump right in. The passage begins, Mama Dog. One day in 2003, police in Warwickshire, England found a bedraggled, hungry dog abandoned in an old shed. The officers took the dog to the Nuneaton Warwickshire Wildlife Sanctuary. This is a shelter for homeless animals. Workers there could tell that the female greyhound had been abused and neglected. The day she arrived at the sanctuary, caked in mud and terrified of you, no one could have guessed what she would become. So the only thing that I'm noticing so far that looks awkward, that just sounds wrong to me, is this you right here in sentence 5. So I'm going to go ahead and underline sentence 5 right here. I know that I need to come back to this when I'm answering the questions because it looks like it's wrong, and I'm going to trust my intuition. I'm going to trust my judgment. So let's take a look at the question. Joe did not maintain a consistent point of view in the first paragraph of this paper. What revision should he make in sentence 5 to correct this problem? So notice we're talking about point of view here. This is what we've learned about. We've talked a lot about a point of view, first person, I, me, my, second person, you, your, we, us, third person, of course, he, she, they, them, talking about someone else. So point of view here. What point of view are we in, first of all? It talks about the dog right here. It talks about the female greyhound down here, and it says she arrived in sentence 5. And then all of a sudden, we change to you, second person. So I'm going from third person, okay, to second person for no apparent reason. That's why it sounds awkward. So correcting the consistent point of view, staying the same. In question number 2, the best answer choice is G. Change you to humans, because humans is in third person, just like the dog, she, the rest of the passage. You don't want to just change point of view for no reason. Keep in mind that you're reading and circling anything that looks wrong, okay? And then the last thing you're going to do is, of course, answer the question. Good luck, guys, on your revising and editing. Remember, trust your judgment. You guys are very intelligent. You know this stuff. Be confident in yourself. Good luck, guys. Do your best on your benchmark. Take your time.